Welcome back, my friends. This video is the second in the SaucerSwap V2 tutorial series. We'll continue where we left off in the last video. Today, we'll learn how to manage a V2 position. Let's jump in. Here we are again on the liquidity page of SaucerSwap. With my wallet already being connected, I'll scroll down to the Pools table and click on the My Pools tab here. This will filter the selection to show only pools in which I am providing liquidity. I see the 0.3% HBAR Sauce V2 pool in which I created a liquidity position in the last video. Let's click on that. Remember, this is the page for the pool, and I can create any number of positions in this pool. To see all of my positions in this pool, I'll tab over to My Positions. Here, I will see a list of all my open and closed positions for the pool. When I withdraw 100% of my liquidity, the position will go to the Closed tab. This gives you a good idea of your LP history for any pool. But let's click on my open position for this pool to manage it. Looking over the tabs at the top, I have a few options. I can increase liquidity, decrease liquidity, or claim fees. For all liquidity positions in a V2 pool, I can increase or decrease the tokens in the range for that position, but I cannot change the range itself. That's why some liquidity providers will opt to create multiple positions per pool. Let's increase the liquidity in this position. Given that I'm already on the Increase Liquidity tab, I'll click on 25% next to HBAR, which will automatically input 25% of my account's HBAR balance and the corresponding amount of sauce tokens determined by my price range relative to the active tick. Next, I'll click Approve and Add Liquidity, and follow the directions in Hashpack to complete the steps in the Queued Transactions modal. Great! It's super easy to increase a liquidity position like this. If I have certain positions that are doing well and I want to add more tokens, this tab is the place to do it. Next, let's claim the trading fees this liquidity position has earned. I'll tab over to the Claim Fees tab to do so. Here, I will see the fees that my liquidity position has earned. Note that these fees will always be in the tokens underlying the pair. So let's collect the fees by clicking on Collect on this page and approving the transaction in Hashpack. Awesome! I just earned some tokens for providing liquidity in the HBAR Sauce V2 pool. And this doesn't even account for the additional Larry rewards, which are airdropped to liquidity providers every 2 weeks. For the sake of example, let's close this liquidity position and withdraw our HBAR and sauce tokens. I'll navigate over to the Decrease Liquidity tab to do so. Here, I will see a simple interface to withdraw all or a portion of my liquidity position. I can use this slider to easily set a value. Or I can simply click Max, which will input 100%. Meaning I want to fully close out my position. Finally, I'll click on Approve and Burn Position at the bottom of the interface, and then complete the transactions in Hashpack. All done! I have successfully closed out my liquidity position, which has burned the NFT representing it, and redeemed the underlying tokens to my account. Managing concentrated liquidity positions is easy and intuitive with SaucerSwap V2. With these tools at your fingertips, you're well equipped to navigate concentrated liquidity.